Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can I know about yourself?
So I'm Bhuvan. I'm studying grade A1 in the Trellis School. So I have been nominated to head boy and the captain.
As a captain. So, as a head boy, what are your roles and responsibilities?
As a head boy. As first about the school, we have to maintenance first and everything. First of all, I want to be about the studies, mom. First, they should be good in studies. They should not have the what stage fear, and they should be, if the video suddenly, if you're going to take a video, they should be able to say.
Okay.
So for doing that, what we have to do is, they have to do seminars, and they'll be every day in our school. They'll be keeping the 8 o'clock up till be having this time. We have to take a video, a voice video, and send it to us. They'll be telling them, but it's waste of it, mom, because they'll be seeing and they'll be telling. So few people they'll be calling to their friends and they'll be telling, what did you say? Tell me. It's waste of it. So instead of that, they have to take a video and they have to send them.
Okay. And as a head boy, you told me you will take two initiations. One is seminars and other one is story video. And as a head boy, what roles you will give your fellow captains or vice captains or whatever, whoever is there down of you? So how will you treat them and how will you maintain a balancing relationship?
They'll be having their work, what, not to maintain their house. I'll be telling the tips, what is positive, what is negative, what is good, what is bad. In order to get plus points, what you have to do, don't do like such type of things. Don't get minus points.
Okay.
Like
So if they are not listening to you, and if they may feel that what is the use of listening to you, so how will you handle the situation?
motivation.
Motivation. So do you get angry when the situation fails,
No.
or how will you take it?
No need of be angry, mom, because I can see their behavior and I know about them. So that's why I'll be what is motivation.
Okay, you will be the motivational persons where they will see you and change.
Even the dance, the culture, mostly people will be saying about the dance, mom. They are getting complaints as I'm not getting the chance. Last year annual day they were crying. Few of the people. That's why I'll be giving them the chance.
Okay. If there is a chance you have become a fed boy and you got elected and you have a role of that position, first thing what you will change in the school environment?
Problems.
What kind of problems you will? First, one problem you tell me, which will you change?
The same, mom. First, I'll be going up to the seminars and everything. First, I'll be seeing everyone the maintenance. Afterwards, their roles and responsibilities. And after, if they're doing wrong, I'll be correcting them.
If you see, if you are a head boy, according to the communication wise, so what measurements will you take to make sure that the entire school is speaking in English?
That's what, mom. As last year, they have been kept a 21-day challenge. So like that, we have to keep such type of programs. Not only this at night time videos. So like Thursday, it's we have to give like SPA. We have to give a new topic suddenly. They should not search on spot topic.
Okay.
Like in like this interview.
Okay. So suppose
their thinking ability
will increase. So there should be anything given on spot so that their ideas will be improved a lot. Okay. And in case of assembly, if you have seen, so is there anything you like to change so that it will help?
Yes, mom. Actually, I want to tell hosting, mom. Not only one by everyone should tell. Even the pledge, thoughts for a day.
So you mean that only head boy and head girl should not host? There is a chance of taking prayer and everything by other students of the group, right? Then we are giving the chance to everyone. Where do you find that there is no chance given?
No, mom. They're actually doing only for the prayer and everything, but they're not at all doing the hosting.
Okay.
For hosting,
so that will help them to learn more, right?
And even the beat.
Yes, drum beat.
Only Likit is doing.
Yes. So if you get a chance, will you change all these things and take a role and do it very well?
Yes, mom. And even this Independence Day and Republic Day, we are going to get such type of things. Even they have to send any one of the video about it.
And if you have been opted for captain also. right? So if you are not been eligible for a head boy and if you have given a captainship, will you be happy with whatever you have got? Yes. Okay, thank you.
If I've been become a captain, I'll be checking about my house. If the especially I'll be concentrating on this red, black, and boots.
Okay.
They will be keeping support to the
Yes.
defenders. We have to
Right.
keep it.
Okay, thank you. Yashwant. So, for which you are nominated?
Head boy and
Head boy.
house captain.
House captain and head boy. So, you belong to which house?
Gryffindors.
Gryffindors. Okay. So, as a head boy, what roles you will be taking up?
Roles, ma'am, I will take the role that I need to make the school disciplined and I need to make the school at the top 10 place, ma'am.
Okay. And if you see when the chance is given to as a head boy, you are elected. And what is the first measuring step you take as a head boy?
To make the students disciplined and not to talk the fellow words, ma'am.
Okay. So when you are making a student to go in a disciplined way, so what measurements, I mean, what ideas and ideologies you use to follow?
Ma'am, as at the break and lunch period, the students will run and talk anything in Telugu and they'll talk bad words. This all, ma'am. So I will be maintaining in the corridors and I will, if they are talking, I will give warning to them, ma'am. If they are not listening, I will complain to the house mentors and I will make them to be disciplined.
Okay. And you are in ninth right now. So how
Yes,
will you
ma'am.
balance your studies?
Ma'am, first of all, I will try to balance my academics as this year the academics are very hard, ma'am.
Yes.
That's why I will focus on the education, and at the free periods I will think about the occupation that I got.
Okay. So once you have given a role, and if you are not unable to balance your education, for example, so if you come to me and say, "Ma'am, I cannot balance both at a time." So is this the right way to approach? Do you think, or it is wrong?
Ma'am, it is wrong, ma'am, because I need to think this at the first time that I nominated myself.
Very
ma'am.
good.
So if I can't focus on the academics, it's my fault.
So you will balance both till the end of the year, and you
Yes,
will say no to that, right?
Yes.
Okay. And if you are a head boy and your team has almost 11 people down of you, and you have to give them instructions, sometimes you have to take the instructions also from them, right? So how will you take it if anyone is giving you something, brother, can we do this, it will be good, so will you accept it, or you will say as a head boy, as a egoistic person, no, whatever I say I have to follow?
No, first I will listen to them. If it is wrong, I'll tell no. If it is right, if it is nice for the school and for the people who are not disciplined, I will make decision by it.
Will you raise a voice on your fellow captains, or will you be cool and answer them in a decent way?
Ma'am, first I will answer them in a decent way and in a cool type, ma'am. But if they are not listening at all, then I need to take action for them.
Thank you. Hi.
I'm
Can I know about yourself?
My name is Sai Siddharth, studying 8th grade in Selly School.
So, what is the role you're nominated for?
Mom, I'm nominated for myself as house captain and the head boy.
Head boy. So, as a head boy, what are the roles you take up?
Mom, I will be kind to everyone. I will be disciplined to everyone. I will be teaching discipline, how to be, how not to be in the school.
So, you said kindness, right?
Yes.
So, what the word kindness mean according to you?
Kindness means to talk clearly, nicely to them, not harshly, like rudely.
Okay. So, what is the first measuring step you take when you become head boy?
Discipline.
Discipline.
Yes.
So, and where do you find there is lacking something in the school?
Communication.
Communication. So, what is the problem in communication?
They are speaking in Telugu.
So, what
always.
measurements you take up?
Mom, I'll be telling to speak in English. If they're not speaking also, I'll be keeping a secret leader for me
Okay.
to tell them
What to do?
Yes, ma'am.
So once you feel that everybody is talking in English,
Yes, ma'am.
once someone is finded out, so what again? Some measurements we have to take or
Yes,
plan
ma'am.
something. So
Yes,
how
ma'am.
will you do that?
Even if 2 or 3 members are speaking in Telugu, I'll be going to them and why you're speaking should not speak right. I'll be telling
So what is the one thing you want to change after becoming a head boy in yourself?
in myself. Ma'am. Communication.
So you will be the first person to talk in English.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And still, if you find any changes, what you will do? What you want to do if you find anything to be done?
Okay. I'll be changing communication in the school and bad words they are speaking.
Okay.
We should not speak.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Okay.
Mom, my name is Apritam. I'm studying 9th grade in Kelly School.
Okay. So, what for nominations you have done for?
For head boy and house captain.
Head boy and house
House
captain.
captain.
Okay. So, which one you will be best thing for you to take up?
Head boy, I think.
Why?
so. Mom, because already I have done past deputy captain post, mom. So almost captain is also similar to deputy captain, right, mom. So I want to experience new post, so that's why.
New post. So, what if you have given a new post in such a way as a head boy? So, what things you will change in the school?
Mom, way of talking to others, talking politely with others, and being kindly and friendly with everyone.
Okay. And if you have given a chance to become a head boy, what benefits you give for the school?
Mom, I will try my best to give discipline, mom, and in sports, in assembly, in maintenance, in every floor, mom.
Okay. So if your fellow friends or someone is not listening to you, so what is the reaction you give to them?
Mom, for first 2 times I will warn them, mom, to not to repeat like that, or I will complain to class teacher or PTs, mom. They will give punishment.
Okay.
Mom.
If suppose if there is some disturbance happening every week, any other thing, what will be the step you take up to complete the task clearly?
Mom, first I'll know what is the disturbance, mom, and who is creating that mess and everything. I'll know and I will warn them, mom. Even if they do again, punishment. Mom.
Okay. So as a captain, what all the roles you take up?
Giving chance everyone in assembly and giving maintenance to everyone to make participate everyone in inter-house competitions and in prayer in assembly.
Okay. Right. Thank you. So good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So you are Vamshi, right?
Yeah.
So can I know for which you are nominated?
Mom, I have nominated for head boy and the house captain for Slytherin.
Okay. So as a head boy, what are the things you can change in the school?
So, this, by myself, the things I have to change in the school is to first keep a leader in every classes. So the leader may maintain and they write every person who are doing the naughty things. And the second thing I like to change is to stop speaking Telugu. So my major priority is to stop speaking Telugu.
Okay.
I can do it by first giving them a warning, and even though they are speaking in Telugu, we have to call to their parents and we have to complain.
Okay. So how will you take a chance to call their parents?
All the teachers, mentors, and principal.
So you will insist them to
Yeah.
give a call to them, and
Yeah.
so in case if they do that and if they are still doing the same mistake, what will be the next step you take?
We have to give starting some small punishments like impositions or push-ups.
So do you think beating is the punishment given to the student is best way, or giving, like as you said, imposition or making them to write or something, that is the best way?
First giving impositions is the best punishment. Even though if they are not listening means not to beat so hardly, but just like a pinch or something.
Okay. And as a head boy, you got a chance to change something from the
Yeah.
school environment. What will you decide and which one will you change?
Like
You
what?
suppose if we have many activities or many things, and from that you feel that something is not good or something in such a way, if you see from the school's environment, which is there anything that you want to change or anything you want to add more?
There is nothing to add, but I have to change is stop fighting with our friends.
Okay.
So if we take the intros competition, if Ravenclaw's loses, Slytherin will start teasing at them. They get a revenge
Yes.
mode. I have to stop this.
So how will you do that?
Same, just suggesting. The first we should do is to suggest. But even though they did not listen, we have to tell to their parents because this is a serious matter.
Okay. How will you balance your academics with your role?
Mom, the major priority is to study. So, first I start studying. When I get balanced, like if I'm good at studies, I will concentrate at the head boy works.
Okay. As a captain, what are the responsibilities you take upon?
Mom, first I have to create a good image with the small children, and even I have to look out after the assembly issues like the tongue twisters, national anthem, pledges.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Thank
Nominated for
head girl and house captain.
So tell me about yourself.
My name is Punyakitna, studying in 9th grade in Trellis School.
Okay. So as a head girl, what all the roles you can promise us to give?
Discipline, punctuality, they'll do their homeworks even, I will do that all. And then next I'll say to them, punctuality,
Okay.
speak in English.
Okay. So, as per the punctuality, if you see many people do not read properly, come to school on time, and the homeworks is not done. So, what type of measurements you take to make sure that all the students are following this?
First I'll say them in a friendly manner. So you should not do like that. You should be in the punctuality manner. And
Okay. And as per the communication wise, so what measurements you take up?
same I'll say them you should not do like that. Then I'll say some punishments and all.
How will you balance your education?
I'll make a timetable according to I'll be there. I will be balancing both the head girl post and even the educations.
So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So, can I know about you?
My name is Vinashri. I'm studying in grade 8 in Trellis School. So I have nominated myself as a head girl of the Trellis School.
Okay, so you have taken only one choice. When you have both the choices, also you have opted for one.
Yes.
So, how much confident are you that you will be selected for the head girl position?
90%.
90%. So, what are the roles you feel that a head girl should have?
All to be in a disciplined manner, not to talk in Telugu, move in a line while going to assembly or coming to assembly and dispersal time, maintain the assembly, and also all not to talk not to talk bad words.
And how are you helpful for the teachers if you become a head girl?
Like if anyone is doing mistakes and if anyone have some pendings, I'll tell to the teachers.
Okay. So, when there is something misbehavior or something is happening in front of you on spot, so what type of decision you take up?
First of all, I'll tell to them not to talk like that, not to misbehave, and if they do not listen also, I'll tell to the CCLT.
So, even though the things are going bad or something, even though you have 12 people in the team, so there is some misbehavior, misthings or something, what will you take the next step?
I'll tell them
You'll
not
tell
to
them
do that.
not to do that. If they, even though they did not, so what you
I'll
will do?
tell to you.
Okay. And if in case they say that there is something to be changed in yourself after becoming a head girl, so what will you do?
I'll not come late.
Mhm.
I'll not talk Telugu, and I'll behave myself.
Okay. So
I'll
that-
be polite to everyone.
Okay. So
I'll not show partiality.
Okay, so before doing anything, so one thing what we have to do is change ourselves, right? So why is it said like that?
Like if we change, we can tell to anyone.
Okay. So or else they will what will happen in such cases?
They will tell us like first you change, again you can tell us.
Right. Okay. So if you have a chance to stop people speaking in English, so speaking in Telugu, then what you will do?
I'll tell them not to talk in Telugu. Like if you talk in Telugu, how can you improve your communication skills in English?
So, yes.
So that's why you have to speak in English. I'll tell to them.
Okay. So what type of steps you take if people are not talking in English?
Like I'll first of all I'll tell them. If they are not listening to me also, I'll tell to the teachers, or else I'll give them punishment.
Okay. So in discipline wise, what type of measurements you take?
I'll make them move in a line while going to assembly. I'll make everyone to participate in the assemblies.
Very good. Okay. And how about things which will make you bad? Sometimes as a leader, there will be things that some people will poke you or some people will irritate you. So at that situations, how will you manage?
I'll tell them not to irritate me, and I will know about their problem and I'll solve their problem.
Right. Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Mahalakshmi Ma'am. I'm studying 8th grade in Trellis School. I'm nominated as an head girl.
Okay. So only one thing you have taken, head girl.
Yes,
Other than that, nothing you have opted. So why did you choose head girl?
Ma'am, it's the position where everybody wants to reach.
Okay.
And I want to reach there.
Okay.
So,
And from past 3 years, I think you have been not nominated for anything, and direct attack you have given for a head girl position. So how do you feel after the nominations done, and what things you will do forward for campaigning yourself?
Ma'am, I'm afraid to campaign.
Okay, so you're getting scared to do the campaigning.
Yes.
So how will you take it as a challenge now?
I want to make the school better than before,
Okay.
Ma'am.
So what steps you take to do it better?
I'll maintain the disciplines. I'll request the people to be silent in the classes. and I'll tell the students to participate in every sports. I'll encourage them to participate.
Okay. If there is a chance to change something in you, what will you change?
Uh, I'll stop talking in Telugu.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
So may I know you about you and your nominated roles and everything?
Hi ma'am, my name is Dhanashi Seva, grade 9A1. I have nominated myself as head girl and house captain ma'am.
Okay. So which prefers you most, head girl or house captain?
I prefer head girl ma'am.
Okay. And if you see from past 3 years, which one were the nominated roles you have given for?
I have given for house captain and cultural captain ma'am.
So you did not opt at that time as a head girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have taken as a head girl. So can I know the reason why you have chosen this year as a head girl position?
I feel like I can be more responsible ma'am in this year. And as I'm going to 10th, I don't have any opportunity, so I have nominated myself as a head girl and house captain ma'am.
So how will you balance your role?
First, I will ask my subordinates about the situation. If anything is wrong, I will go and ask them about their problems and issues, and then I will continue with my studies ma'am.
So, okay. So again, the same question. You have been past 3 years nominating, not selected, and anything has not happened. So now the position has come again. You are taking up the fourth time or third time? Fourth time. So now, do you feel 100% that you this time you will have your result super fast good, or is there any chance, by any chance, if there is some disturbance or some feeling is there that what will happen the next time?
I can feel that some other will nominate themselves as a head girl, and I feel that I can be more confident so that I can nominate myself.
And you might have known now that the competition is more.
Yes, ma'am.
5 students have been nominated for head girl position. So in this situation, how will you face your campaigning? How will you face your ideas, and how will you get into it?
Yes, ma'am. The thing is, ma'am, I have tried for 3 years, ma'am, past 3 years, and I have nominated myself. Even the competition is more, ma'am, and I have failed so many times, but I'm still trying so that I can succeed in future, ma'am.
Okay. So all the best. Let's
Yes.
hope for the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself.
Myself, Anvita, ma'am. I'm studying 9th A1 entrance.
Okay. So you are nominated for
I nominated myself as head girl and house captain.
house captain. So which will be the best thing you think about, head girl or house captain?
Head girl.
Why?
Because I want to maintain a school in a disciplined way by maintaining properly in corridors or while crossing the road during assemblies.
Okay. Last year, I think you were in the school, right?
Yes.
So have you nominated for any role?
No.
So this is the first time you're
Yeah.
nominating yourself. Why? Why is it not done last year?
Because last time I was not confident enough, ma'am. This time I was.
So you are now confident, fully confident
Yes,
that you can do your job correctly. And by chance, if you have not given a head girl position and you are in a captainship position, so how will be the reaction?
Like I'll feel okay, ma'am, because I nominated for 2 positions, right? I thought anyone is enough for me.
Okay. As a head girl, what are the roles and responsibilities you want?
Assemblies, properly maintaining student panel.
Okay. And do you think that you can opt for this role as a best, or is there still you have a thing or facing issues or something like I have more competitors coming forward, I have to face them? How is your feeling in that?
Best, ma'am.
Best. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So
ma'am.
may I know yourself and your nominated roles and responsibilities?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Prashista of 8A1 in the Trelli School. I'm nominated to the cultural captain.
Okay. So what roles you feel that you are fitting for this cultural captain?
I want to improve my leadership skills. I want to improve who are not participating in cultural activities and events. I want to encourage them, and I want to prove myself.
Okay. So if you are becoming a cultural captain, how much responsible person you will be for the teaching, for the teachers or for the CSL team?
I'll give
100%.
100%.
Okay. So what type of activities you like the most if you were interested in cultural things?
Dancing,
Dancing, singing. And if you see there are many events going to come forward, so how will you help yourself and your team to make the event become successful?
I will encourage who are not participating in events who doesn't like, and I will encourage who likes also. uh, I will do my best and I will give my best. I will decorate events beautifully without taking anybody's help, without spoiling anybody's work. I will prove myself in that.
Good. Thank you. Good afternoon. So tell me about yourself.
My name is Nahanika Ma'am. I'm from 8th So I nominated as Deputy and Cultural Captain.
Okay. So a bit louder. I cannot hear you. And what are the roles and responsibilities are nominated for your side?
Ma'am, first thing that I nominated because I need to uh, interact with the juniors and I will help them in any situation. And I need to make the academic year enjoy and I'll participate in all the cultural activities too.
Okay. So you have nominated for cultural captain
Yes,
and
ma'am.
also for deputy captain. So which suits you most? You feel cultural
Yeah.
captain. So cultural captain, once you have done with it and elected for that, so what kind of help you will give for the teachers?
Teachers, ma'am. Ma'am, first I will follow their rules, what ma'am told. I'll do what they told, all the things.
Okay. So as a deputy captain, what type of roles you take up?
Ma'am, responsibilities, ma'am. Like managing and anybody is not talking in English, they or anything.
To know?
Good afternoon.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Aminisha, studying in 7th grade Devon Section Private School. So I belong to Hufflepuff House, ma'am. I'm nominated myself as deputy captain and cultural captain.
So which one will you think that it is excellent for you to do?
Deputy captain.
Why?
Because I want to support all people in studies and move forward them, and so many of them did not got chances to participate in inter-house competition. I will make them to participate in the inter-house competitions.
Okay. So last year, which was the position you have taken?
Co-curricular captain.
Co-curricular. So now you have get more up a step to take up a deputy captain,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So how, if a captain is on leave or an absent positions, what type of things you take up to complete his absence?
Captain work I'll do, and I will do my deputy work. I'll for assembly I'll arrange some people. That's
Okay. So which one will you choose, cultural or deputy?
deputy.
Deputy. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So tell me about yourself.
My name is Harshita Reddy. Ma'am. I'm studying in 7th in Trellis School, and I nominated myself as the deputy and the cultural captain.
Okay. So which will you feel that it is good for you, either deputy or culture?
I prefer cultural more than deputy.
Why?
Because I like decorating things, and I will help CSL with their job.
Okay. So you make the CSL job easy if we opt you to take as a cultural captain,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So in such cases, how will you help them so that their job is easy?
If they are getting any hard works, I'll go and help them in making those. I'll do it at home, and I'll also do it in the class or somewhere. Ma'am.
Okay.
So
So during your balancing position, so sometimes you need to stay in the evening times or something due to the cultural things. So how will you balance your homeworks or classworks if you have been staying throughout the evening times in such a way?
Mom, I'll stay up to 6:30 and 6:40, and I'll go to home at 7 because I don't have any tuitions. I'll write my homeworks.
Okay. So you'll balance your things in a correct way. So as a deputy captain, what things you will take up?
I'll take care of the children because last year or the before year, people were not taking care of the children very well, and they were like really rude and mean, and they are also not doing any activities like properly in the assembly, or they were not even decorating the notice boards or maintaining properly. So I will maintain properly this year. Ma'am.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Shanvika.
Good afternoon. Ma'am.
So which roles you have been nominated for?
Deputy and cultural. Ma'am.
Cultural. So if I ask you to take any one, which one will you choose?
Cultural, ma'am.
Why?
Because I love dancing and other cultural activities, ma'am.
Okay. So in such a case, how will you help your CSL team if you have been opted as a cultural captain?
I'll help them to decorate everything and all.
Okay. And during the events, if suppose you are feeling sick or ill, So suddenly there is a chance of moving out of the event or something. So how will you balance in such a way?
I'll ask your permission or teacher's permission. I'll move from there.
Okay, but you will do the job whatever
Yeah.
the before day is done.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you have been opted for a deputy captain, what things you will be doing for the school benefit?
I'll be the next captain if the captain is absent or something, ma'am.
Okay, so both from the both sides, if you see, cultural is the best position you feel for.
Yeah, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Me about the nominations, what you have taken for?
Ma'am, I'm taken for deputy captain of Hufflepuff group, and I nominated as a sports head, ma'am.
Okay, so why did you nominate yourself as a sports head?
Ma'am, because everybody means somebody in the school not getting the chance for sports, ma'am. So I want to make sure that everybody is getting a chance, and they'll participate well. I think so, ma'am.
Okay, so as a sports captain head, so what type of measurements and roles you take up to initiate that others also participate in all activities?
Ma'am, like making a note that everybody is participating, ma'am. And if they not participate, I'll encourage them, ma'am. If you participate now, your future will be very bright, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the importance of sports if you feel that it is good to you?
Ma'am, like taking safety measurements, ma'am. Like while playing football, is somebody fall, ma'am. Like getting injured, like not letting him fall. And if we say proper rules for football, they'll make sure not fall, and they'll.
So as a deputy captain, what do you take up? You have nominated for deputy captain also, right? So what are the roles you take up as a deputy captain?
Ma'am, first communications. I have to improve the communication skill in the school, ma'am.
Okay.
Many are not talking in English, ma'am. So I'll make sure that everybody talking in English, ma'am. If they not talk, a punishment is assigned, like writing assignments, ma'am, like homework.
Thank you. Good afternoon. So tell me about yourself and your nominated roles.
Ma'am, I'm from 9th grade, Delhi School. I nominated myself as a house captain of the Ravenclaws and a sports captain.
Okay. So you have opted for sports captain. So as a captain, which one will you choose the best for your
Sports.
why?
Because I played many sports at the different events, so everyone should get a chance. If we not get chance, I know that how we get feel and the depression which we get. So should not get that. Everyone should get participated in the sport.
Okay. Now this is your third time I think you have been nominated for this roles from past 3 years.
Yes, ma'am.
So did you get a chance to elect yourself in any of the last 2 years, or you have been waiting from past 3 years for the position?
I got the deputy captain of the Gryffindors.
Okay.
I'm in
And-
6th grade.
Okay. So now you have a chance to campaign yourself. So how will you campaign for the sports?
First, I'll campaign myself to everyone that, and I'll let them to know my name, and I'll say that I'm nominating myself for the sports captain. I won't force to anyone to vote me. If they like, they should vote me.
Okay. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Tell me about yourself.
Ma'am, my name is M. Sahil. I'm from 882. Ma'am,
Okay. So what for roles you are nominated?
ma'am, I had nominated for sports captain. Ma'am.
Sports captain.
Yes, ma'am.
So as a sports captain, what are the things you will be helpful for the people around the school?
Ma'am, I will help them in sports, ma'am. How to play, how to practice them, ma'am.
Okay. So once you have been nominated, then the second step of you is for the selection. Once
Yes,
selected, the campaigning starts. How will you campaign yourself?
Ma'am, I will campaign. If you vote for me, I will help you in sports. If you have any doubts in sports, like how to play, how to manage, how to leadership, ma'am, I will clarify their doubts.
Okay. As a leader, what type of measurements you take to increase your sports?
I will keep their body fit, ma'am. Everyone has to be fit and exercise, ma'am. They have to do exercise.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Riddhi from 7A2, and I am participating in the roles of Deputy Captain of Gryffindors and Sports Captain.
Okay. So which one will you feel the better place for you to opt?
I think a Sports Captain is a better place for me because I think I am better in sports.
Okay. So how will you feel that you are good at sports?
because I have dedication and I will keep the hard work, and I can support my juniors, seniors in following my footsteps.
Okay. So as a player, so you are a sports player. So how will you do your fitness, or how will you help the others also do the same?
I will help them to. If you do your fitness, you can achieve more things, and you can improve your skills better.
Okay. So you are a sports player, right? So what is the sport you're playing right now?
I am playing badminton, and I will also do athletics. I'll go to athletics practice and badminton
Okay.
practice.
So have you achieved any medals or anything through in the badminton?
Yes, I have achieved. Recently, I have achieved in districts, and I'm going to states now.
Okay. So you have been into the states now, right?
Yes.
So you have received district level prize and also
Going to states.
going to state. Okay. So from Anantapur.
Yes.
Yes.
Representative of Anand.
Representing Anantapur. So how do you feel for that?
I am feeling very proud, and I think that my hard work and dedication paid off.
Do you think this is enough and you have done your job well and you will be relaxed, or something is there more to achieve?
I think I should achieve more, and I should practice even more, because I think it is not enough still.
It is not enough still. So what is the goal of you reaching, which is there will be some extent or a goal to some or other person. So what is your goal?
My goal is to be like a professional badminton player, and I want to like achieve and make my school and my parents proud.
Okay. So you want to become a professional badminton player. So which is the final stage? Do you feel that you have fulfilled your thing?
I think this is my first time going to states, and I feel like I'm very proud at it, because
Okay.
I never went to states.
Okay. So now, so people who have a proudness in them, so for example, so that proudness makes people come down few times. So in such case, now you're going for a state representing Anantapur, and how do you feel that thing? Proudness will help you now, or proudness will make you down?
It's not about like I should win everything, but if I gave my hard work and all, that's enough.
Okay. And as a sports captain, now you are opting it as a sports captain. So which already you are already a badminton player and you are a good sports person. So how will you motivate your fellow students to participate?
I feel like I can inspire them more, and I can be their inspiration and make them to participate in every activities and not missing any.
Very good. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Ibrahim, studying 8th grade at Self School.
And you are nominated for?
I am nominated for sports captain and head boy.
Okay. So which thing will be suiting you the most?
I'm sports captain.
Why?
Because I'm good in sports, ma'am.
So what type of sports you like to play?
Cricket, football, and volleyball.
Okay, so from the three, cricket, football, volleyball, which is the best thing you feel that I'm relaxed to play?
Cricket, ma'am.
Cricket. Why?
Because it's my passion to play, ma'am.
Okay, and how about taking up a sports head? So what managementing skills or what? How will you manage a student to play in all
Ma'am,
activities?
first I need discipline, ma'am. After that, behavior and all, ma'am. So I'll keep some new games to play.
Okay, and as a head boy, what roles you will be taking up for initiation of school benefits?
Ma'am, same, ma'am. We need first discipline. In all, we need some discipline, ma'am. And I will take some responsibilities. If some problem is there, I can solve it easily. I should not come like this or I should solve for our sick only.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Sujay Deep of grade 8 ma'am from the Trolley School, and myself nominated as sports captain of Slytherin School.
Okay, so only sports captain you have nominated.
Deputy captain also ma'am.
Okay, head boy is not done.
No.
Okay, so why you have nominated yourself as a house captain?
Sports captain.
Sports captain, sorry, sports captain.
To build physical activities for the PT sirs or any students.
Okay, So how will you build the physical activity in a student?
To encourage themselves, or we will tell them, or we will encourage us any motivational.
Okay, if a student is not going for a sport or something, sitting at classroom idle, how will you go ask the student to go or motivate him?
I'll ask them what's the reason first, ma'am. If he has any hurt or something, I'll give him a permission. Or he has a fear of sports, I'll encourage him and I'll tell some kind words to him.
Okay. If you have been selected as a deputy captain, so how will be the roles of you?
I'll change my behavior, ma'am, and I'll improve the speaking style of this. Like, don't speak in Telugu, you told, na, ma'am. I'll implement that one, ma'am.
So how will you implement that?
I have an idea, ma'am. We have to create an group and we have to intimate the information which is to the students.
Okay, good. Thank you.